So today I'm just going to have a quick video to go over how I made this Type 1 to Type 2 cable using a cable that I got for free. I just paid the postage on it. So this is a Type 1. It came from a tethered EVSE that someone had upgraded to a Type 2, and they gave me the cable for nothing. I just paid the postage. And this part is a male Type 2 that I got from AliExpress for just over £30, and I'm going to show you how I made the cable. Going in, let's have a look in here.
Where's the phone?
So in here, this is just a single phase one. So the main connection that you're interested in is, well, obviously your live, your neutral and your earth. You need to make a good connection to the pins. The other one is the CP, the control pilot, that just passes through all the way to the other side. And this other one is the pilot proximity. Now this end isn't connected, so the end from the Type 1 isn't connected to anything. And what we do in here is connect the pilot proximity via a resistor to the earth. Now my value is a 220 ohms, so it's basically just pilot proximity through the resistor into the protective earth, and the 220 ohms is for the cable rating, which this one is a 32 amp, and you want to select the resistor based on your lowest rated component. So if you get a 16 amp cable, I can't remember the value for that, but that'll be on Wikipedia, or if your Type 2 or Type 1 is a 16 amp, you need to downrate that as well. Pretty much the link will be in the description for the male Type 2 if you want to give this a go. I got this one from the Outlander forum. Somebody was just giving them away, so if you scour forums, Facebook groups, and even eBay, you can get these pretty cheap. The Type 1 tethered EVSE. There you go. Make one up really cheap.